Hello everyone, my name is George McCormick. I'm currently the owner-operator of Grass Monkey Lawn Services here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. We have currently been in business since June 1st, 2001 and looking to expand our business. We are looking to hire an employee that is self-motivated, knowledgeable, and proficient with the following duties in our lawn maintenance side of things: cutting grass, weed eating, edging, blowing, fertilizing, normal trash pickup, trimming bushes, spraying for weeds, normal lawn maintenance type work. On our landscape side of the company, looking for someone that's good at designing new and existing for restoration, doing irrigation and repairing irrigation, sod installation, plant installation, mulch installation, and someone that is knowledgeable in different grasses of sods and the different plants that grow around the area. In the design side of things, looking for someone that can use CAD to bring your ideas to life. That way they can showcase their ideas through the development of pristine and breathtaking gardens and landscapes in new developments and commercial sites around our city. Here at Grass Monkey Lawn Services, our employees and customers are the top priority. Our company strives to offer quality, honest work for all of our customers. We offer competitive benefits, paid holidays, and paid vacations. We have a competitive salary that is based on the knowledge of your landscape design and your experience in the landscape industry. So if this sounds like a job for you, come on down with your resume and portfolio and complete an application for a possible on-the-spot hiring. Thank you. Can't wait to meet you.